Okay, so here is your workout for today. I'm doing a leg day. It's a one-legged squat. I'm not even using any weights because it's requiring your entire body weight on one fucking leg. The key is to lean back on the bar and press up with the heels of your feet. Okay, press up with the heels, squeezing your butt during the entire exercise. I'm gonna show you, okay? Pay very close attention. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Yeah. So, if you can fucking do that, kudos to you, bitch. If you can do it with weight, bitch, I salute you. But as for me in my house, I'm not that strong yet, bitch. I know you're asking, bitch, why did you turn around? Because I can, and